Awesome. So you're in quarantine right now. You've probably watched a little too much of your Netflix series. You probably completed your 1,000-piece puzzle that you stocked up with. And now you've clicked on this video because you want to start to be a little bit more productive with your time. And you want to see if you can start to make money while we're locked down. The problem is there's a million videos out there teaching you how to make money in the wrong ways. They either try and get you to do these surveys that don't work, or typing names into a calculator that doesn't pay you ever. Or they're trying to sell you a course. I'm not here to do any of that. We're here to give you clarity and to cut through the shrubbery and make sure you know the top 5 ways that you can legitimately start to make money online and best spend your time during this lockdown. All I ask in return is you hit that like button and the subscribe button, and let's jump in. Numero 5. So this is number 5 because it's quite time intensive, but you can make a lot of money if you work hard at this. And it's becoming a delivery driver. Now, us personally, we went out there and we tested it for you guys. So we're not going to go too in detail in this video, but we'll link up right up the top here and in the description. We went and became an Uber Eats delivery driver for a day and made hundreds of dollars. Exactly how much, you'll have to watch the video. But at a time like this, takeaway and delivery at all-time high in terms of demand. Everyone's sitting at home ordering in food, and you'll be able to go out and you'll be able to deliver meal after meal after meal, getting paid about $5 to $9 per delivery. You can even do this on your push bike, so you're going out there and you're getting paid to get some fresh air and get some exercise, and getting paid very well in a time like this. Remember, if you do choose to do this, stay as safe as possible and look after yourself. Numero 4. Before I reveal the 4th strategy, I know you're going to be thinking, that's not a way to make passive income. That's not even that smart. It's not passive income and it's not that smart, but it's something that a lot of people never do, and it can make you some very quick cash and clear up your place at the same time. Gary Vee very recently, who had Sell Your Stuff Saturdays, and that's where you go around your house and you find things like this that you don't use that could be worth quite a bit of money, and you sell it all, and he does it on a Saturday. But lucky for us, we can do this any day. So I went around my apartment right now and I picked up the top 10 things that I don't use that I can sell and make a couple $1,000 doing it. Shoes, $50. Gimbal, $170. Apple TV, $80. Spare microphone, $100. Massage gun I've used about 5 times, $150. Old phones, $800. Used books, $10, $15 each. This little miracle, priceless. To do this, go around your house and pick up everything you own and ask yourself, would you buy it again if you had to buy it right now? If the answer is no, you then put them in a pile. We then can go to somewhere like eBay, which can tell us how much things are worth and if they're worth selling. For example, if we're selling a used PS4, we're going to type in PS4 into the bar of eBay. We're going to scroll right down the side here on the left because we want to see things that have already sold and what they sold for. We don't want to see things that are at auction because we'll be getting the wrong prices. You can then sort by recently ended, and you can see that this PS4 here just went for $200, this one $255, and you can match up what you have, or you can actually come down and click price plus shipping highest first, and you can see which ones made the most money, and you can see how you can sort of sell your item along the same lines as those ones. Numero 3. So now we're getting to the juicy passive income, the push button, make money sort of things. Now, before we jump into these juicy strategies, I want to make sure that there's no such thing as a get rich quick strategy. Anything that is getting rich quick is people actually just getting rich quick off you buying into it. However, there are really good strategies that we're going to go through that you can be consistent at and build up a solid business that's going to pay your bills passively. The first of these strategies is making money on YouTube, 1, without showing your face, and 2, without having too much skill or subscriber base to start with. You can see we're on this video right here. It's called the top 10 tallest roller coasters in the world. And the staggering thing here is it's 4.1 million views. It's only 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and I've muted this, but if we were just to click through it, you can see it's very, very simple. This is just a slide that someone's put over someone else's footage. And basically, they give you the height and the maximum drop angle from 10 to 1, and it's a countdown similar to this video, which holds people's attentions longer, and it just shows you the top 10 tallest roller coasters in the world. Now, there's other videos out there like the top 10 fastest roller coasters in the world or top 10 craziest roller coasters in the world. But the craziest thing is this person's made about $5,000 to $6,000 off Google running ads on his video. That's how YouTube works. When you watch an ad at the start of the video, the creator splits the payment with YouTube or Google, which is the same company, and you get paid for people watching your video. Now, this isn't an anomaly. There's actually thousands of YouTube channels who do this, such as this one here. You can see the first ever video they uploaded, meaning they didn't have any subscribers before this video, was the top 10 fastest high-speed trains in the world 2019 edition, which has 8.9 million views, and it's an 8-minute video along the exact same line that we just saw, which is basically just a top 10 countdown. This person's probably made between $12,000 and $15,000 off this one video. I actually used to do this for fun back in the day, and this was one of my better performing videos. It is the Marshmallow, the DJ. I did a 5-minute and 32-second video on basically Marshmallow leaking his face and showed people who the real identity of the DJ was. You can see these are the views. We had 9 million views, including 1.2 million views on one day, and we earned a total of $9,381 from it. I have actually since removed this video from my channel because started bringing in the wrong type of subscriber base. But if this was the purpose of your channel, this is a great way that you can go out there, start making videos, build up a reputation for high quality top 10s, or if you don't even want to do top 10s, you can pick anything you're interested in. Just go and see what other people are doing successfully. There's no need to reinvent the wheel, and copy those successful channels, start building your video, start building your portfolio, and slowly start making money as you build up. An extremely important thing for you to realize is the more enticing the end result, such as YouTube sending you a check for $5,000 a month, the harder it is to actually accomplish. For example, if you go around the house, collect all your stuff, and you sell it on eBay, you're going to get maybe $1,000 of cash, and it's going to be a one-time payment, and it's not as enticing. Therefore, more people are going to be successful with this because it's easier to do. If you want to set something up like this strategy or the next two strategies, it's going to take quite a bit of grunt work, and most importantly, consistency over time. While everyone drops off, you just keep going and soaring towards your goal, and only then will you achieve the results that very little people out there are. Número 2. So back to YouTube, because there is another amazing strategy that people use that make you, such as this guy, a few $1,000s per video that you put out over its lifetime. So this guy has done, his name is Riznos, and he's done a review on a Yeti versus a Hydro Flask versus a Clean Canteen, which are 3 different types of water bottles. And basically he just goes through and gives his own personal opinion on it, and he posts it to YouTube. Now, what happens here and how does he make money is people are looking to buy these products. If I'm looking to buy a water bottle and I Google Yeti water bottle review, this is going to come up, and it's going to compare him to these other water bottles that I was considering, and he's going to help me make my decision. Now, when he helps me make the decision, I can go down here and shop on Amazon, which is where most people shop these days, and I can see, oh, if I want a Yeti water bottle, I just click this simple link here, and he'll take me, very friendly of him, to the actual page to buy the water bottle. Now, what's happened is you can see there's a little code, there's a little tag up here in my URL. And that means that he is an affiliate. It means every time that someone buys through this link, he actually gets a commission of the sale. Now, how much does he get on Amazon? Unfortunately, you don't get a crazy amount of commission. But for this guy, depending on what category it is, you get about 5% of the actual total sales price. And it's very easy to sign up as an affiliate to Amazon. So that's where a lot of people start. Now, for this video, he's got 400,000 views, and you have to understand that this is quite a timeless piece. So this is going to keep going on for the next 5 years. And if he was to convert just 1% of these people who are in the market to buy this bottle, which is quite low considering people actually Googling this to get the information, to buy the product through his link, he'd be converting 4,000 customers. Now, you get about $1.80 to $2 per customer for this category, so he'd make about $7,000 from just this one video. Now, he can go on and make more and more videos, such as these people over here. This person's done it with the NutriBullet, of which she's made about $4,000 from just this one video. You can see she's only got 300 subscribers. You don't need to start with 10,000 subscribers for this to work. You just need to choose the categories that people are looking to shop in and that has something for sale on Amazon. You can see these are Amazon links down there, and you'll be able to see her tag if you click through that. You don't even need to do this on a big scale. This person here has only 8 100,000 views, but if she can convert just 1% of people to buy this Nespresso machine from her link, which is not an unreal amount considering they are shopping for it, looking for reviews, she's made about $500 from just this one video already that was posted a couple of months ago. Now, this strategy can get more and more in detail as you grow in this industry, and you can start to partner with people like Nespresso. You can partner with other people to sell their digital courses or the software or physical products, and you can start earning up to a 50 to 75% commission on things you sell. Numero I have something that's very important for you to learn, so I have to squeeze it in before I reveal what number one is so you don't disappear. This is not as exciting and as fun to learn about, but it's literally the thing that's going to change a lot of people's lives if they understand this. And that's this graph right here. You can see this red graph sloping down over time is the amount of effort you put into a business. Now, the blue line sloping up exponentially are the results you get from a business. Now, 99% of people fail in businesses and online endeavors because they don't understand this. They have the most effort up front for the littlest rewards. And what people do is they jump from business to business to business, from idea to idea to idea, and they're just repeating this process over and over again where it takes the most work possible for them to actually get started. Say start one of those YouTube channels and they get the smallest results. So my advice to you is don't be a dabbler. Don't jump from shiny object to shiny object. Pick one thing you want and master it and work on it consistently, and therefore you'll start to get to where I am and a lot of my friends are who have been doing this, and it's getting incredible results for very little work. However, it doesn't happen out of this gate. This may take between 6 months at the really low end to 10 years at the high end. But the thing is, you want to pick one thing and work at it over and over again, and that is the key that most people are missing and the key that'll get you ahead. So instead of selling someone else's product on Amazon and making a 5% affiliate commission, you can actually start your own private label physical product brand and sell them on Amazon for far more money than you buy them from. So this is a generic looking massage gun. You can see it's $100 here on Amazon. But if you go over to Alibaba, where you can find suppliers in China who are going to make the stuff for you, you can see you can buy them for just $14. So what you do is you buy something like 100 pieces at $14, you ship them to Amazon, who's going to take care of bringing the traffic to your products and shipping out and the logistics of your products. So you basically don't really have to do anything but the marketing. And you can see that if you scroll down here, we're using a tool called Helium 10 to see exactly how much money they make. They make a selling price of $99, including shipping to Amazon. It's going to cost you about $20 to actually buy this item, and it's going to cost you $21 to pay Amazon for bringing in the traffic and handling the postage of it, and you're going to go home with a $58 profit for this one item. And the thing is, I'm going to use Helium 10, which is a tool suite that gives you all the back-end information. It's like having an X-ray vision on this. This is literally called the X-ray tool, and you can see that this one product here, this one that we're looking at, does 533 sales a month and a $53,294 of revenue a month. I've been in the e-commerce game since 2006 and selling on Amazon just like this person here since 2016. If you want to start this method for yourself, we'll link up our full free tutorial here on YouTube on how you can get started right now. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and comment below. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.